video. And we are going to kick it into the Vybz Kartel performance at the Wireless Festival. First of all, it's been long waiting for Vybz Kartel to visit London. As me, I see a lot of people was happy to see Vybz Kartel while he's walking. It's a good look for dancehall. We can see the likes of Spice, Popcorn, and Massacre also perform at the event. As me, also we can see the likes of Shenseea and Molly, Central C. Also, we can see where a little talk of around where Burna Boy says not a lot of people. According to Burna Boy, when I perform in Africa, I perform in front of a lot of people, which we can understand. But that's a lot of people, around 50,000 people out there in the hot sun. You know what I mean, waiting for Vybz Kartel, waiting for the dancehall artists, them and Drake, them. You see me, I say it's a good look for dancehall, but like the direction the dancehall are going right now, you see me, I say.
Ladies, all the girls in the wireless, with that tight vagina, scream! Your pussy gon' be like Bible, when it open up, you see ready now! Punani bless my angel, loving you like Rachel. Ready! Your pussy coming like Bible, a parable of some great sex. And you're wanting now that's stainless, and you're never afraid that the hate says. What? You want me ever be?
Drop it! Drop it!
Oh yeah, drop it! Spice, time for your teeth a little fuck, give me a say.